loves Fluttering Wings, the tale of Bella and Henry. Once upon a time in a magical land, there lived a young, curious rabbit named Oliver. Oliver had the softest fur of all the rabbits in the forest, and his big, round eyes sparkled like the brightest stars. Every night, Oliver would settle in his cozy burrow, snuggling up with his family, ready to embark on a sweet dream-filled adventure. One evening, as the moon bathed the forest in a silvery glow, Oliver's mother gathered all the little rabbits together. She began to tell them a story about true love and the power it held. Once, there was a gentle butterfly named Bella, Oliver's mother began. Bella fluttered through the forest, spreading beauty and joy wherever she went. Her wings were a vibrant symphony of colors, capturing the attention of every creature she encountered. Oliver's eyes widened with wonder as he imagined the beautiful butterfly dancing gracefully through the trees. His siblings listened intently, eager to hear more. Now, Bella had a secret wish deep within her heart, continued Oliver's mother. She longed to find a companion who would share her love for life and adventure. One sunny morning, as Bella fluttered near a babbling brook, she noticed a charming hummingbird named Henry. Henry's feathers glistened in shades of emerald and ruby, and his wings hummed a sweet melody as he hovered near the flowers. Bella was captivated by Henry's vibrant presence, and she realized that she had found the companion she had always dreamed of. The two of them spent their days exploring the forest together, their love growing stronger with each passing moment. But as days turned into weeks, Bella and Henry noticed that their time together was limited. The seasons were changing, and soon winter would arrive. Bella knew that she had to migrate to a warmer place, and Henry would stay behind in the chilly forest. The two of them were heartbroken. They couldn't imagine a life without each other. They vowed to find a way to be together, no matter the distance or the obstacles they faced. With heavy hearts, Bella and Henry sought the wisdom of the wise old owl, Ollie, who lived atop the tallest tree in the forest. Ollie listened attentively to their story and smiled kindly. "My dear friends, true love knows no boundaries," said Ollie. "Love is patient, and love is kind. If you truly believe in the power of your love, it will find a way to bring you back together." Inspired by Ollie's wise words, Bella and Henry decided to trust in their love. Bella flew away, her wings carrying her to a warmer land. Meanwhile, Henry stayed behind, eagerly awaiting the return of his beloved Bella. Through storms and treacherous winds, Bella and Henry never lost hope. They believed that their love would guide them back to each other. And as the seasons changed once again, Bella's wings carried her back to the familiar forest. Oliver and his siblings listened with bated breath, eager to hear the ending of this extraordinary tale. Bella and Henry were reunited under the shade of a blooming cherry blossom tree, Oliver's mother concluded. Their love had conquered all obstacles, and they lived happily ever after. The little rabbits clapped their paws and hopped in joy. Oliver's heart felt warm, and he snuggled up closer to his family, dreaming of love and adventures. And so, dear children, remember that love is a powerful force that can overcome any challenge. Just like Bella and Henry, if you believe in the magic of love and stay true to your heart, it will lead you to happiness and a world filled with endless possibilities. With that thought in their minds, the little rabbits